Hello everyone, this is my review of these arm sleeves, compression sleeves that you can use to cover your arms or protect your arms from different environmental elements. There are two sets of sleeves individually packed. In one package there's two sleeves for both arms and you got two of them, so you have a spare or extra or for somebody else. These sleeves are black. They're pretty soft. Taking them out the package, they're nice and they're pretty long. Seem like they probably go the full length of my arm. I have pretty long arms, so that's good. They slide on pretty easy and feel nice on your arm, nice and compressed. And they have a slot there for your thumb to stick through, so you don't have to worry about riding up your arm. You can use these for different things like protecting your arms from the sun, from the UV light, gardening, or even working. So I like these compression sleeves, and I hope this